What's up, crafties? Welcome to today's videos on how to make this beautiful Greek Roman inspired crown. So I got these bag of gold leaf charms from AliExpress. They're actually metal, not real gold, because that would be so expensive. I love these so much. These are the leaf style I'll be using. Some gold wire. I also got myself this rhinestone picker. About rhinestones, because why would you make a crown without some rhinestones? I also got a bunch of these headbands. They're made from metal. This is the wire size. This is 5mm thick. Also get yourself some E6000 glue. Some ripped off version is okay too. So beforehand I made a prototype of the crown from paper to see the position where to place the leaves. You should also lay out your leaves on the table so you can visualize your design. Now to make the crown itself, take a wire headband. It's shaped like a teardrop. We want a round shape. So take a plier and bend it to make it more rounded. We're gonna build the crown onto this headband. We start from the very center of the band. First, I take my two center leaves, and to bond them together, apply enough glue to the contact point, and while that cures, take about 2 inches of gold wire, bend it in half, and insert each end into each holes. Twist the wire and wrap the excess wire around tightly, basically tying the charms together. Make sure that the wrap is tight. Finally, snip off the excess wire, and then to secure it even more, I apply gel glue or liquid superglue onto the wrap so it can't unravel, and also onto the contact points. Then, to bond the piece onto the band, use the same wire wrapping technique. Moving on to the next leaf. I do a little bending so the leaf fits the natural curvature of the crown. Careful not to crack the charm. Now the basic to connect the pieces together is to make at least 2 to 3 contact points. So that's 1 and that's 2. That's 1, that's 2. So keep repeating the bonding technique of wrapping and gluing the bond that I show you. The frame will be structured and very strong. And there it is. After 14 hours of working, I finally finished the crown. If you choose to, you can just leave it like this and use it like a headband. But I'm gonna attach it to the crown band. Now take one of the headbands and use the plier to bend this part of the headband so it bends inward. I think that's enough. Do the same for the other end. The shape of the headband is kind of like a teardrop, so what you want to do is to bend it outward so it becomes a circle. This is the shape you want it to be. Take 4 sections of 10 inches gold wire, then I twist them together to make a thick wire. If you have a thick gold wire, you can just skip this part. Now to connect the frame to the band, place the crown frame on your table and detect which part of it contact with the table. Those are gonna be the contact points that will bond with the band. I already connected 2 of the contact points. So take that thick wire we just made and insert the loop into the band, apply glue to hold it in place, then simply wrap it tightly around the frame. And once you're done, clip off the excess and apply glue to seal the bond. Now to make the actual adjustable part of the crown, take another headband and snap it in half. It's gonna get complicated, but don't worry, just follow my instruction. Put the halves together with some tape to hold it while we work on the next step. Take 2 inches of 1 mm thick wire, about 1 cm from the end of this, bend it 90 degrees, as so. This will be the connecting section. Then wrap the rest around the inner end of the band and apply glue to bond the connecting section. Well, yes, I do realize that it is smarter to bond it first before wrapping it. That would prevent the glue from getting in between the bands and glue them shut, which is what happened to me. So I'm gonna do the proper way for the second end. This end belongs to the inner band, so we're gonna bond the wire on the inside band and then wrap it, and that is how you make the adjustable part of the crown. So go ahead and attach it to the rest of the crown. We're not done yet. The metal band is kind of off with the gold crown. So to make it fit in, I glue on these gold loops. These are 6 mm in diameter. Then to cover up the glue, I add a 4 mm black rhinestone into each loop. I choose black because I have black hair, and so the black stones will blend in when I wear the crown. If you have blonde hair, then you may use white rhinestone or yellow rhinestone. And the finishing touch is to add some Swarovski crystals onto whatever part of the crown that I find fitting. And we're done! I really love the Greek Roman look of this crown. It's like a laurel wreath, but more extra and, well, a crown. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, you can find more handmade art video on my channel, and consider pressing that subscribe button for more future projects. Goodbye!